It's pretty gnarly out there. This is Lake Jocassee, guys. I was here last year. I got everything set up and I forgot my rods at the campsite, so I had to go back and get it. Just gonna go out there and wing it, see if I can make something work, see if I can catch something. Tag along, guys. It's gonna be a wet one. All right, with all this wind, I think I'm just gonna stay off of the main lake. I'm gonna fish the back of this cove, and then this is actually where I was at last year. Caught a few smallmouth back over here. If this doesn't work, then I'll head back up to another cove about a quarter mile down. Whew, what a morning. My graph ain't working. My trolling motor squeaking. Yo, I better catch some fish today. That's a fish. Huh. That's a fish. All this. I knew that was a fish, that first bite. Whoa. Gosh, they fight hard. He's out. He's done. All right. All right. All right. I knew it was worth it. First fish of Lake Jocassee. That's a good, almost 3 pounds. 3-pounder right here. Thank you, bud. All right, no bites. It stopped after that, so I'm not quite sure, man. Maybe that was just a luck thing. I'll switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna try on a shaky head. Haven't thrown a shaky head in a minute here, so we're gonna try it out. It is. Whoa. These guys fight hard. Yeah, they fight hard. You're small, but you fight hard, bro. I just gotta go slower. Man, I figured it out. They're back here. All right. I just gotta go really slow. Super slow. Number 2. Stout. Got some mark on his mouth. Thank you, bud. Yeah, it's a little update. It is 8:45 now. I think I just gotta go extra slow. We're gonna slow down a whole lot. I hate fishing slow, but I need some bites. There we go. On the free rig. Here's one tip for you guys if you guys are fishing the free rig and you have to slow down. I force myself to put my left hand in my pocket and let's use one hand like this just to reel. Use my middle finger, pop it, hold it for about 2 seconds, and then slowly reel in your slack. I don't know. I switched it up. I was hoping that because this wind was blowing into this point right here, when it splits into these 2 coves, it's blowing some bait fish in here too. But I mean, worth a shot. All right, I'm gonna go into this cove and work it, see if I can land another one. Is that thunder? Sounds like thunder. Yep, sounds like thunder. Hopefully it's not lightning. Oh, no way. BFS. Four-pound line. He's fighting hard. Holy crap. Oh, dang. Oh man. Oh man, that hurt. Oh yeah, that hurt bad. It's all right. That was a good fight. Jocassee, give me a go home fish. Jocassee, how are you gonna do me like that? Alright, Jocassee. At least you weren't being stingy. Oh my goodness. That rain is really seeping through my elbows. Alright, let's go home. I don't really want to sit down because my seat's all wet. Alright guys, thank you guys for staying all the way to the end. Man, it was rough, but at least we didn't skunk. You guys know the drill. Till next time, stay safe. Peace out.